This is a brand new 2015 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, speed-sensitive volume controls, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Hyundai BlueLink, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Wiesner Hyundai for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. Our family-owned dealerships have been serving the Houston and Conroe area since 1972. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located on Interstate 45 at the Wilson exit in Conroe. We look forward to serving you.